Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 4 of my favorite esthetician tools that have been proven to block breakouts and calm redness, pain, and swelling in less than an hour. I have used these in my treatment room for many years, and now you're going to know what I know and you're going to do what I do. So let's go. My name is Lori. I'm an esthetician, acne specialist, and integrative health practitioner. First up is icing, which is one of my personal favorites. It's not like icing is anything new. I mean, it's been around for a really long time. Icing is used to help reduce inflammation, and it speeds up the recovery process when you have a wound. And acne is a wound. When you feel a pimple coming on, you've got to ice it right away. Oh, it's so cold. Icing can be as basic as grabbing an ice cube from the freezer and just applying it to your skin and rubbing it over your pimple. But I'm going to show you how to add minerals, electrolytes, and antioxidants to your ice cubes so that you can get the most out of icing. I call this magic mineral ice. First, you've got to start with some really cute ice cube trays. I found these on Amazon, which I will link down below. Now you might be wondering, how are you going to get all those minerals and electrolytes, all that good stuff that you were talking about? How are you going to get that in the ice cubes? Easy, I got you. You're going to add a little bit of green tea and a pinch of fulvic acid. First, we're going to start with about a cup of water. I am using distilled water. You can use filtered water. I prefer this over tap water because tap water has a lot of toxins and yucky stuff in it, and this is going directly on and into your skin, so I prefer to use distilled water. Next, we're going to add just a little bit of green tea to the water, and I kid you not, this much of fulvic elixir. It doesn't take much. Now, the great thing about green tea and fulvic is that they are water soluble, which means they are able to penetrate through the barrier of the skin to give you the benefits of minerals and electrolytes that a wound needs. Ta-da! So cute. Whoops. And now that your ice cube is all done and looks like this, you are going to gently rub it. Oh, that's cool. You're going to gently rub it over that little pimple. Now, the right way to do it is to go in a circular motion like this. And you can kind of see it dripping too. It does get messy, that's the downside. The wrong way to do it is to hold it directly like this. That could damage your skin. So this is the right way. This is the wrong way. Now, I want to help you even more than just blocking breakouts. So I pulled together a free 10 steps to clear skin guide. I'll link at the end of this video. If you're super impatient and you just want it now, click on the link below. Our second tool is high frequency. It uses electricity and argon gas to kill bacteria inside the follicle. It's kind of like an electric disinfectant. It also helps to reduce redness and spots on the skin. Now, when you go to purchase a high frequency tool for acne, be sure that it is the blue argon gas. When you go to use your kit, you're going to notice that there are a lot of different glass tubes. This one is my favorite shape. Just going to insert it into the wand and then plug it in. Don't turn up the juice all the way. You're just going to turn the juice up or the electricity about 3/4 of the way. It can really dry the skin out if it's up too high. Then you're going to grab a piece of gauze or a piece of tissue paper or toilet paper, and then you're just going to go in a gentle little circle like this. I recommend using this once a day for about 3 to 5 minutes. I wouldn't go over that because it tends to really dry out the skin. If you have a pacemaker or you're pregnant, I would not use this tool. Number 3 is light therapy. Light therapy is similar to high frequency, but instead of using electricity to kill bacteria, LED uses different wavelengths of light to go underneath the skin and kill the bacteria. It sounds pretty technical, but it really comes down to LED light coming out of these little computer chips encased in glass. It's FDA approved, it's painless, and it's safe for everyone to use. LED light for acne is going to be a combination of blue and possibly red. If you're not into holding a handheld tool like this, they make face masks that you can just place over your face and basically lay down and take a nap. Look for a face mask that has LED lights that are close together. And number 4 on our list is sulfur spot treatments. Sulfur is a really powerful antimicrobial, antibacterial that has been around for a really long time. It's very popular in a lot of acne skincare products. Right when you feel that pimple coming on, you're going to want to make sure that the area around it is clean, and then you're going to add a little drop like this over the top and massage it in And then once you've done that, leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Take it off with a wet towel and then apply a moisturizer right afterwards. The great thing about all of these tools is you can layer them together. You don't have to just pick one. You can do all of them. You could start with icing and then apply some LED light. Then you could do high frequency and end it with a sulfur spot treatment. There really is no wrong way to do this. Just do what's easiest for you and what you can be consistent at. Let me know which one of these tools you're going to try next time you have a breakout. Your pimples don't stand a chance with your new acne skills. Look at you!